Get noticed in this 2006 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further.
With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors.
Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.